The Divine Advantage team is the team you want when you want real estate results. You will love your new dream home. Entertain in grand style in this fully upgraded Monticello model with cathedral ceilings in the living room, a wall of windows, 80-gallon hot water heater, and a newly installed built-in blinds back door that takes you outside into a well-landscaped yard overlooking an active walking golf cart path. This home has an open concept, top-of-the-line kitchen with clean cabinetry trimmed in gray, granite, pull-out pantry drawers and stainless steel appliances. A 9 by 2.5 island seats 5. A second sliding glass door leads from the kitchen to an outdoor screen-enclosed lanai for extra room when entertaining. The formal dining room offers a bay window with a view into the lanai. The master bedroom is redesigned with an expanded bathroom and 2 walk-in, custom-made California closet systems. The master bedroom is outfitted with beautiful gray porcelain tile, large marble shower and a wall-to-wall modern raised sink and mirror design with ample storage for your personal items. The second bedroom offers double duty use as an office, bedroom, or both, with a California closet king-sized Murphy bed, wall of office cabinets and a large closet. The upstairs guest suite has its own full bathroom, wet bar, closet and screen deck that overlooks an unobstructed view of well-manicured landscaping, several ponds and a walking path. An added feature are electric hurricane shutters in the living room, master bedroom and upstairs deck.